Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen.
Thinking about the way we just watch. Thinking about the way we yeah. 잠시 멈춰서 너와 내.
So we're on our way to the beach. Say hi, Megan.
This parking lot's high. Imagine the beach.
And then we're waiting for Miranda. She's coming here in a second. But yes, it's fucking hot as fuck. Don't live in the bay, y'all.
I'm not a very big fan of this traffic, but this song and Gerald's band's song is getting us through it. Yeah, hashtag Gorilla Mode.
Streaming on all platforms.
Which is available in all platforms, wherever you get your music from.
Or no, just SoundCloud right now.
But it will be everywhere soon, but for now, just on SoundCloud, so. We'll see you later.
Update. So we're finding parking right now. And we almost crashed into Momo because apparently you don't know how to move.
We almost fit. The thing is, if someone pulls a
Wait, is this car? Oh wait, no.
Oh my God,
the car is
moving.
moving though.
What do you mean?
So we are here, parked, getting our sunblock in, I guess. But instead of going to Half Moon Bay, we came to Ocean Beach because it's closer, and we were gonna be stuck in traffic for an hour and 30 minutes going to Half Moon Bay plus parking. It took us 30 minutes to find parking. So yes, but yeah.
We made it though. Like for real? That's some real shit.
We were gonna give up.
Happy Labor Day. You know what?
Labor Day. But yes, let's go.
Sunscreen.
So we are walking to the gas station to get some drinks, I guess.
We're gonna get lit. I brought my passport.
Because we are not gonna leave the car.
Ooh. Devices are hacked, intercepting all communication for help.
Bro, whatever that is.
Call center.
That's lit.
What is that? Look at my joint.
That's your valuable.
And it's chaos in the background.
Oh my god, that's so scary.
But yes, we are gonna go buy some drink. So come along. So if you can't find us, this is where we're at.
Well, this may look like my very last vlog.
Yeah, this is where we were last. If you find my camera with you. Like, well, this is sketchy, bro.
My family, if you find this camera. Oh, I'm dead.
But yeah, we're almost there, I think. So apparently I keep on forgetting to vlog, and they keep on reminding me. So here I am vlogging again. We're at the ocean. As you can see, the water is like cold as fuck, bro. So it is cold.
The waves are that
The water temperature is a little cold as fuck. And the temperature in the sky is very much so hot as hell.
And the UV index is at 7 right now, so it says serious sun protection is so 5.
I hate you guys.
Back to Sherry in the vlog.
Apparently they're the news people. But but I will show you guys the ocean view now.
Okay, so I'm gonna play this card, which just means I can pick any of the baby armies and I can discard half of the pile.
We are currently playing bears versus babies. These are my cards. Don't tell Miranda. And it's kind of complicated,
So this
but it's
is
super fun.
this is one of the cards where you have to.
You can take out my camera and face it to Miranda. These are the cards. It looks like a mess, but it makes sense. I'm almost straight to it. Okay. This would be a cool picture.
Okay, whenever you want it.
Okay.
I feel like I should make a friend here, but
Go make friends.
we don't have enough truly for them. Huh? No.
Okay.
So we should make friends.
So what do I do with these? Just leave them, right?
Yeah, so those are just point cards. So at the end of the game, we count up all the
Okay.
point cards.
So we are calling it a day at the beach. We are packing up. Mama, Miranda. We saw the sunset, as you can see in the back, how pretty it is. I have like a video, a recording of it, so
Sherry,
I will.
stop the vlog. We need your help.
I will post it on the next slide, I think, or the next. Whatever. But yes, we're walking back. See you guys when we're getting.
Bye.
Good night.
Whiskey sour in your breath, don't want you any less. Ribbon bitten by your teeth. Turn me around, me too. Turn me around, me too. Whiskey sour in your breath, don't want you any less. Ribbon bitten by your teeth. Turn me around, me too. Turn me around, me too.
So we ordered our food online. We got some Wingstop.
our order. I'm fighting them with a couple. They already messed up. They charged $27
And we're freaking hungry, but we're gonna get our order and then we're gonna go back to the dorm to get to eat. So yes, come along with us. I'll be crossing the street. I think it's the light.
Huh? Oh, shit, my bad.
Okay, it's better now.
Not really.
Is it? It is. I wiped it. Now we're getting Robux. We're waiting for Wingstop. Well, we have to wait 15 more minutes. And we ordered this like 50 minutes ago already. So we're waiting for.
Ain't nobody gonna press us for
We're hangry. Y'all, after waiting how many hours, we got our food finally, and it's fucking 9:30 already. I should be in bed. Yes.
Oh my god.
It's late.
We've been here for an hour. But then downtown Hayward is really nice. I will show you guys, but I don't want to. But yeah, we're going to the dorm. Bye. So we are currently back at school. And we're waiting for Megan because she forgot her key access. But it is hot here and I do not like it. I'm ready to go back to the beach.
I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait.
So this is our night. We're ending it like this. We're gonna go grab our stuff in the trunk, and then we're gonna go our separate way because we're
all
tired.
Everyone have a good week.
We're all tired. Good night.
Have a good week.
Mama got sunburned.
Did I?
Bye, y'all. You look a little red.
Like this.
I look a little cool.
Peace and love. What should be our outro?
Gonna say